Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to transfer a domain on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have, as you can see in the top left corner of my site, we have the setup, home, we have the settings. In the bottom left corner, we have the design site and the design site in the top right. And also the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and transfer a domain on Wix. So to transfer a domain purchased from Wix to a different Wix account, you need to go and follow these 5 steps. First step is to go to domains in your Wix account. Then when you click on domains, then you just need to go and click on the more actions icon next to the relevant domain. Click transfer to a different Wix account. Then you just need to go and enter email address and password of the Wix account where you're transferring the domain. Then click transfer domain. Alternatively, you can transfer your domain away from Wix by going to the domains page, clicking the show more icon next to the relevant domain, selecting transfer away from Wix, and following the instructions. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. And until then, guys, as always, bye.